What have you been doing with yourself, Mr. Compton? You come in here, you're smacking gum in shorts, disheveled. Where do you live? Who with?
My ex, ATs.
How old are you? Did you graduate from high school?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You don't look good. You just don't. You obviously not working, not making any money. You know, perception is reality, Mr. Compton. And if you're going to continue like this, you're going to have this same look when you're 52. But you're going to have a lot more missing body parts, hair, teeth. You're supposed to work your ass now at the tender age of 20s. So you set your future up. Something else is going on and we don't know what it is. I'm sending you for a drug test right now. I want to know what, if anything, is in your system, first and foremost. If you fail to take a test, I'm going to make your bond so high. We're going to figure out.
The judge strongly confronts Mr. Compton about his appearance, attitude, and lack of progress in life, emphasizing that perception is reality. He explains that coming to court in shorts, looking disheveled, and appearing unmotivated sends the wrong message and reflects deeper problems. Concerned that something more serious may be going on, the judge orders an immediate drug test and warns that failure to comply will result in a much higher bond or jail time. He makes it clear that continuing this lifestyle will only lead to a worse future and becoming another statistic of the system. When questioned about self-improvement over the past 40 days, it's revealed that Mr. Compton has applied to over 100 jobs, mostly in fast food. While the judge acknowledges the effort, he pushes.
I'm sending you for a drug test. You must come right back. You are not allowed to just smoke weed and do nothing. Do you understand, Mr. Compton? You are still testing positive, and the next time you test positive, you will stay with me. Tell me, what have you done since the first time we've met 40 days ago that you've bettered yourself? What? Prove it.
Yeah, Judge. He showed me his Indeed app. He's got, he's probably talked to 10 plus employers. How many interviews have you had?
I got to think and check.
When is the last time you put in an application? Into who?
Can you look at his phone, Judge, at the bench?
Sure.
Okay.
So let's do this. Well, I'd like you to just take a seat. How many applications has he put in? How many dates has he done it with? And I'd like a full breakdown of what he's done in the last 40 days.
Okay.
You know, just other than just smoke weed, what has he done?
Okay. Talked to Mr. Compton, looked at his Indeed app. So actually 10-3, before he came to court, he'd applied to Wendy's, and they're in the process of rescheduling that interview. 10-12, he applied to Truth Barbecue and Whataburger. 10-19, applied to Food Market, Panera, Leaf and Grain. 10-25, applications to Domino's and Einstein Brothers.
Did you not try to like Amazon or Starbucks?
Well, he has experience in the food service industry, so he's trying
So what?
Anything with.
Why don't you try with? You have to set lofty goals, right? You set your vision high. Go for the gusto. Go for the gold. Don't settle for down here. There are companies that are starting out $15, $19, $20 an hour. That's what you want, because that's where you're going to make money. Fast food, while it is, yes, it is a job, it's not the best thing out there. Set loftier goals for yourself. Start at Starbucks. Go to Amazon. They kill with If you can get a job there, you're making 15, 17 bucks an hour and you get great health insurance. That's where you need to start. It's great that you're doing here. Go for loftier goals. When you leave here today, go to Starbucks, go to Amazon, Target, $19.75 an hour, nearly 20 bucks an hour. Target. Here, I'm gonna see if I can print this out. See if I can do that. I don't know if I can.
The effort is there, Judge.
While the effort's good, it could be better. You need to go to better places. I'm gonna try to print stuff out. On your phone, you need to Google highest paying hourly jobs. And that's where you start your search. And when you go to an interview, how do you look when you go to an interview? Do you look like this? What do you do? Okay. Perception is reality. If you look like a thug, they're going to treat you like a thug. You're coming to court, and look how you dress when you come to court. You're supposed to be better than that. If you come to me like this here and we're a judge and this is jails right there, that tells me that you have absolutely no respect. Are you dressing the same way with trying to get a job? If you are, it's not going to happen. You take a shower, you comb your hair, you shave, you put on nice clothes, you try to talk well, because that's who's interviewing you. Smell good, because if you go in there and you smell like a small farm animal, it's not going to go well. This is what you need to do to get a job. And this is what you do to get a good job, because that's how you get a job where you can move up in the world. When you apply at like a Burger King and McDonald's, there's no advancement. That's what you want. You understand? Perception is reality. So when you go there, you need to look like you're gold, and then they're going to hire you. This, you'll get nowhere in life. I'm bringing you back in another 2 weeks. I want to see what you've done. Start with lofty goals. Starbucks, Target, Amazon.
Fleischer, encouraging applications to companies like Starbucks, Amazon, and Target, which offer better pay, benefits, and long-term growth. The judge repeatedly stresses professionalism, clean clothes, grooming, good hygiene, respectful behavior, and explains that how you present yourself directly affects how others treat you. Mr. Compton explains he is homeless and struggling with family issues, but the judge delivers tough love, saying excuses won't change outcomes. He urges responsibility, consistency, and respect for rules. Ultimately, the judge reinstates his bond, provides access to a job fair and legal assistance, orders another drug test, and sets a follow-up court date in 2 weeks, giving Mr. Compton a final opportunity to prove real change.
You have this unfounded sense of entitlement where just
So I tried to get here. I didn't, it was real hard to get here. I've been living on the streets. You see, I got shorts on and stuff. I've been wearing these clothes every day.
have in your life here.
It's just me. I've been homeless.
Where's mom and dad? Mom?
Yeah, but she got a boyfriend, so we don't want nobody to come by her. So it's just.
So you just don't want to go over there. I guess that's what it is.
No, she got a boyfriend, so
So?
he don't. I guess he just want my mama to himself or something. I don't know, but I've been calling my mom. I'll be like, but I'm not about to really beg her, because I don't want to look at me like that, like just like I just need you that bad. So
But you do. But you do. Sometimes in life, you have to tuck your tail, between and not try to man up when you ain't got nothing. You know, it's better to go home where you have a roof over your head, and 9 times out of 10, I bet if you got a job and you came home and you gave your mom a little bread and a little help, it would go a long way, because this is what talks, not the shusha that comes out of your mouth, and where you just go home and you fight with the boyfriend and you fight with whoever it may be. No one is going to give you anything in life, Mr. Forrest. You got to earn it.
No. That's what I'm trying to do.
Using the street as an excuse when you have a place to go to doesn't fly.
No, I didn't have a place to go to.
You can always go home to mom.
No, that's not what happened.
What else do you
That's
have
not
in your
what's going
life
on.
besides your mother?
I'm from New Orleans. I don't really know how I ended up here, but I've been here for so long. It was a time that I stood in front of you before. I was with this girl named April. She lied and said that I hit her and all this. And then I was right here. And remember with the man, he lied and said I didn't pay him. And then I went to jail. He arrested me and sent me to the back. And then it came back that I was telling the truth. And then it was over and stuff. And I was with that girl. She used to sit back there in the back with me all the time in court every day. That was that time. But I was wrongly accused that time.
That's not what I see.
From the last charge?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
My records show the complete opposite of what you're saying. But regardless, that doesn't matter.
I don't know. I got a lot going on. So I'm just trying
How
to
do you have a lot going on when you're just on the street?
I'm still in the street. That's why it took me all to get here.
So tell me what's going on.
I don't know. It's like people don't like me or something. I apply for every job all around the world. I don't get it. I put on my little best clothes and still a little dirt. I button it all the way up. I come in out, speak nice, and I just can't get no job. I don't know what's going on.
Perception is
Man,
but do you see the way that you're acting to me? Look, what I'm trying to tell you is that perception is reality. If you walk in and you walk in smug with the air of entitlement, meaning that you're greater than everyone,
that's not me.
you came in here to me like this, and I'm a judge. You're supposed to show as much respect to a judge as you can, because your literal life is in our hands. If I wanted to, I could throw you. Give me one of those flyers, will you, please?
That's all I've been trying to do. I don't be doing nothing wrong out here.
Well, come on. Then I'm giving you,
Other people,
Mr. Forrest, I'm going to give you the opportunity now. We have a workshop. It's this weekend, right? Isn't it this weekend? Huh? Yeah. This weekend, I have a fair coming up. If you want a job, there's going to be loads of people with jobs to give you right there.
It'll be like a guaranteed job so I can work every day, because I don't want to be outside all the time. I would like something that's just stable, at least 10, 12 hours a day.
Beggars can't be choosers, Mr. Forrest. You get what they have. I don't know what they're going to have, but you have to be ready to accept whatever they have to offer. And that's it. You're not going to be a rocket scientist. Don't expect a rocket science type salary. You get what they have. The problem is that you got to show up. And if you come with this attitude that I live on the streets, so I'm not going to show up to work at 9 o'clock. I'm going to show up to work at 11. That doesn't jive. So if you want a job, you have to act like you are going to have it. You're going to show up on a daily basis, on time, not smelling like a brewery. You take a shower, you smell good, you wear nice clothes. But do you think if you go to a job looking like this, how do you think it's going to go? You're coming to court, and you should be looking act or near your best when you come to court. Looking like this with the excuse that you're on the street. Come on, man. If you want a job, this is the place to get it. I am now giving you the opportunity, Mr. Forrest.
It's a guarantee that
Nothing is guaranteed in life but death and taxes, my friend. There is no freaking guarantee. You want a back rub too? Show up. If you show up and you look like $1 million, good things will happen for you. Show up, take a shower, dress nice, brush your teeth, and things will go well. I'm going to be there too, Mr. Forrest. I'm going to be out there helping as well. There's no excuse. Do me one more favor. Don't come back in shorts again.
Sorry, last time when I came, I had my boots on, my shirt buttoned up, you know, I was clean that day.
I'd already revoked your bond. You know that, right? I had already issued a warrant for your arrest. You're lucky that I haven't left because otherwise your butt would be sitting in jail. So next time when you come to court, it starts at 8:30. Don't wear shorts. It's a complete sign of disrespect.
I'm not trying to disrespect.
I'm going to reinstate your bond now. I will give you an application for an appointed lawyer. It's now nearly 1 o'clock. Everyone's gone. You're going to have to bring it back. I'm going to set your case off for a couple weeks. Show up to this job fair. Because if you do, hopefully fair. Because if you do, hopefully good things will happen for you.
I just been waiting. Actually, I've been waiting on the opportunity.
It's in your hands.
No, I don't know if I'm coming off like something wrong, something that's the complete opposite. Like I'm really out here trying. Like too many people don't try. Like I'm really trying. I ain't give up yet. I be laying on the ground every day, and I'm trying. I ain't never give up.
Here's my list of people.
It's over.
Mr. Forrest, I have a list of people that I'm expecting to show up on this program. Your name's now going on it. So this is what we're going to do. I will send you home with an application for an appointed lawyer. We will see you back in 2 weeks. I'm sending you for a drug test now because I want to know what, if anything's going to test. If you don't test, I will revoke your bond. Next time, come on time. Do you understand?
Thank you.
Okay. All right.
Judge, you want to address the in 2 weeks?